girls, today another tutorial, and today we're going to do the Rubik's Cube. I got a really dry mouth and I have nothing to drink with me, so that's stupid. So I'll be probably talking like this. So yeah, Rubik's Cube, it's 180 flip, a full roll 360 and 180 flip back. So let's do that shit. Alright, boys and girls, here we are for another tutorial. So today we are going to do the Rubik's Cube, and the Rubik's Cube consists of 3 parts. That's a 180 flip, a whole roll, and then another 180 flip. So something like this. So 180 flip, a whole roll, and you flip out. So we start with a 180 flip. We already did this for juicy flip and the yaw spin. So start, then do a whole roll and you flip out. Now my rates are pretty low, my rates are 600. So I really have to jam it. You need momentum, so you need to flick it. You need a little bit speed, and you need momentum to stay in the air. So forward speed is essential. You flick it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.